So,
Welcome back.
welcome back. And the discussion that we have today on hand is the most underrated car in India. So, like, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, younger generation coming onto the roads and streets to purchase car and drive them, and they don't have any clue which car is good. Advertisement देखते, but they don't know which car they should pick. And most of the young people they go for the second hand car, but due to lack of knowledge, they don't know कौन सी गाड़ी purchase करूँ मैं. And sometimes they purchase some car and they don't like it, and they have to stick with it. So for that reason, most underrated cars in India. Let's put out our opinions. What we think. कि
Kizashi.
Suzuki
Kizashi.
Nissan Tiana. Nissan
Hey,
Tiana is a
Suzuki
good car.
Kizashi, do you really think it is an underrated car? Or do you call it as a car where people could not afford it?
So like it's a kind of
Rare
double-edged sword, because जिसको मालूम है गाड़ी वो
That's all.
उसको मालूम है.
But it is actually an underrated car. People really didn't prefer that car. I'm not really sure. Was it the pricing that was too high?
I would say the pricing, because people didn't understand the concept of luxury at that time when the car came out. Because India, like जब भी गाड़ी खरीदने जाओ, they think about economy, गाड़ी कितना माइलेज दे रही है, गाड़ी मेंटेनेंस कैसा है गाड़ी का.
True.
बट जिस टाइम पे Kizashi रिलीज हुई थी, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है,
Like luxury.
बोल सकते हैं Suzuki just woke up and said violence.
Suzuki नहीं थी.
Japanese. Pure Japanese.
वो
JDM.
टाइम पे Kizashi और Vitara दो
Vitara.
Suzuki वाला
Oh
लेके
yeah, Vitara too.
Grand Vitara.
Grand Vitara,
Oh my
amazing,
god.
How can you miss that?
Two cars that Suzuki have brought in India. Not Maruti Suzuki, only Suzuki, Japan, pure Japan, JDM, you can say.
Exactly. So
What about Omni?
Omni तो Omni है भाई.
Omni is kidnapper's favorite.
Exactly.
No, but मजाक से हटके, if you talk about Omni, हमारे पास भी Omni थी. We sold a Maruti 800, which I actually bought back again.
Yeah.
Fifth owner के पास से, which will feature it anytime.
Anytime.
But we had an Omni. I still remember 8 लोग 9 लोग बिंदास बैठ के जाते थे हम लोग. मतलब पीछे की डिक्की खोल दो and then gone. और 5-6 जनों को डालो आप. अरे जबरदस्त गाड़ी थी Omni.
इंटरमीडिएट के टाइम पे हम लोग के पास भी ग्रीन कलर की हिंदी ग्रीन कलर की वो मजा जब जाना है दावत में कहीं जाना है बोले तो एक गाड़ी आती है पूरे खानदान को उठा के लेके जाने जा सकते थे 10 लोग जा सकते थे आराम से गाड़ी.
The only reason I hated Omni was कि उन्हें कब पलटती नहीं मालूम.
इंजन जो था बिल्कुल ड्राइवर सीट के नीचे था इंजन.
Correct.
गलती से कभी
Body
एकदम
roll.
मतलब यू थोड़ा आप रैली स्पेक में आ जाओ, आप पूरी फैमिली को लेके लुढ़कते. That was like the most dangerous part in the Omni. But Omni was a very practical car. आज भी लोग कितने सामान pollution vehicles आपके बिल्कुल
कमर्शियल यूज के लिए पूरा
स्कूल के बच्चे जा रहे हैं आज ही.
इवन एम्बुलेंस के लिए हर चीज
Oh yeah, ambulance. How can we forget that? Ford के cars भी बहुत underrated थे. Like
Actually,
आपका Ford Figo S and then Ford Fiesta Sports
Fiesta.
1.6 liter.
1.6. That spoiler.
Amazing cars. I owned a Ford too. मतलब
What
I-
about Palio?
Let's come back to
Let's
Palio.
come back to
Palio
Palio.
is I don't know, but Ford में
Exactly.
आप अगर आप देखोगे Ford के जो थे, the only reason I had to sell my car was because मेरे को मैकेनिक्स का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था. The spares scarcity. And then when we got to know कि Ford बंद हो जा रहा है इंडिया में
Exactly.
and the manufacturing stops etc. People were scared. मैं जिसको बेचा उन्होंने भी बहुत डर के खरीदा. भाई स्पेयर्स तो मिल जाते ना. I only told him one thing कि बॉस नहीं मिले तो गाड़ी लाके वापस दे दो, मैं ले लेता. So that guy, he took it. I think he drove another 40,000-50,000 on it and then he sold it again. I'm not sure अब है कहाँ गाड़ी हो, मिली तो शायद.
इवन अभी लास्ट 10 इयर्स से हम लोग इको स्पोर्ट रन कर रहे हैं, घर पे है.
Correct.
10 इयर्स से शोरूम ट्रैक कंडीशन है, स्पेस अवेलेबल, एवरीथिंग है. बस एक पब्लिक को एक रूमर आ गया कि भाई फोर्ड चले गया, स्पेयर नहीं मिलेंगे.
True.
But that was a very wrong part from the company. एक तरीके से देखा गया तो it left a very bad image for Ford.
No, it happened because आप देखो Chevrolet when it walked off, लोगों को बहुत परेशानी है. Cruise.
Actually, Cruise was such
Diesel
a
rocket.
good car.
Beast
बोल सकते आप लोग शौक से क्रूज लिए मैग्ना एंड ऑल दैट एंड देन सडनली यू कम एंड टेल कि मैं बंद कर दिया नाउ यू नॉट गेट स्पेयर्स
वो
महिंद्रा वाले के साथ शायद टाई अप हुआ था उनका
Yeah.
एंड देन यू वांट इफ यू वांट सम स्पेयर्स महिंद्रा वाज एक्सपोर्टिंग और इंपोर्टिंग फॉर यू
करेक्ट
बट देन डबल द प्राइस MRP 100 रुपए उन्हें 200 रुपए में ले
जरा
तो दैट्स वेयर
चार्जेस मिला के करते हैं all those things.
करेक्ट पीपल आर एक्चुअली स्कैर्ड कि भाई कहाँ हमारा हाल शेवले के जैसा कहाँ हो जाए फिर फोर्ड वाले हम परेशान हो जाए दैट इज वेयर फोर्ड का आई डोंट नो द मार्केट जस्ट सिंपली क्रैश्ड एंड देन टाटा कमिंग इन इट एक्चुअली इम्पैक्टेड अ लॉट
because you know if they are closing down at least उनके जो customers हैं the loyal customers you know you should have spoken to them and let them know कि like this is the thing we are closing down but the spares would be available
looks like
that
we
would
are
be
going somewhere else I don't want Ford people to come and say कि भाई तुम लोग क्या है कौन है तुम लोग and then all that but yeah underrated cars Ford Fiesta Ford Figo S and Mukit like he mentioned
Suzuki,
Palio
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 Fiat Palio.
Fiat
1.2.
Palio
1.6.
1.6
actually 1.6
I think we should get Aryan
2000.
yeah
in this. Aryan if you're watching this भाई
तशरीफ लाइए
आ जाइए you would definitely love see because that guy is yellow polo sorry Palio
yeah
the way he maintained it एकदम stock
clean
and clean yeah that was there too
He still runs the MP3 original MP3 player in it. Even if the display is not coming, he could see it.
correct and the way that guy maintained Sachin का sign आता था उस पे I guess
yeah
Sachin Tendulkar.
the way
वो
he
edition
maintained
था।
हाँ
S10 edition.
S10 edition but yeah we should actually see if
Yeah.
we can
someday we'll bring you all
Someday, yeah.
along and you know
Topic.
and take the reviews so coming back to the topic most underrated cars what else
see,
What
Honda
else?
में भी थे ना
Honda
Brio
Brio is a very good car actually man and very underrated because you know वो उसका हिसाब कैसा हो गया था कि like छोटी है गाड़ी तो like who's gonna drive it was made to you know make an appeal to the young generation of India but young generation of India they wanted bigger cars like SUVs compact SUVs like Creta they didn't wanted a small car but the potential that car has it's something else it used to come with a 1.2 liter I guess and petrol and diesel as well and
Honda
it was-
Brio available in petrol only, not
ना ना डीजल में भी आई थी डीजल में भी आई थी
Amaze थी वो।
अमेज नहीं थी ब्रायो भी आई थी आई गेस जहाँ तक मुझे याद है डीजल में आई थी बट आई एम नॉट
एक
श्योर
काम करो अपने व्यूअर्स से बोलेंगे भाई जरा कमेंट करो आप लोग
कमेंट ब्रो सपोर्ट
आप लोग कमेंट करिए डीजल में आई पेट्रोल में आई क्या है
मुझे जितना
हाँ।
मालूम है कि पेट्रोल में
पेट्रोल में तो थी फॉर श्योर
Petrol में थी
Volkswagen
for
की
sure.
Beetle?
भाई that
Beetle
was
तो
ऐसा बोलते हैं।
और Volkswagen का you can't comment really मतलब
एक्चुअली
all the cars were really good but again German है maintenance cost and that's where
Maintenance
looks
cost.
like you have a German here as well German नहीं बोल सकते इसको ये क्या है मतलब he knows it well.
it's not from German it's from a I don't remember the name जमान पे है मेरी लेकिन आ नहीं रहा
Correct.
Skoda is not German it's from a different country and if you guys know it
Czech Republic no not Czech Republic
Czech Republic, yes, Czech
right?
Republic,
हाँ.
Czech Republic, yeah, that was it. मैं ऑडियंस को पूछने वाला था shit, उनका गया ऑप्शन.
आप
Next time,
unless you give them a giveaway or something for all this yeah, you never
one day we will. It would be a car, I guess, mostly. But let's
know. I
see.
wish
Yeah,
a car is a car आप
car
चाहे
is a
चलाने
car.
वाली रहो या a
रखने
toy
वाली, रखने
see
वाली.
because car enthusiast के लिए एक toy car is also like
car. The die cast market is
die
also
cast
good.
हाँ. अब
So-
you guys remember the first episode
Yeah.
अरे तुम फोन अंदर रखे यार let's come back
So Honda Brio, it was a very good car, but Indian consumer didn't like it because of its dynamics. But the car is very good, very powerful, and there is a lot of modding capacity in it.
Tidbit, छोटी है।
छोटी है, but जब भागना शुरू करती है भाई
आप
powerful है
उसको 1.2 से 1.6 तक अपग्रेड कर
कर
सकते हैं
सकता है.
See, in Hyderabad also we do have ना that purple Brio I don't know who's
Purple नहीं, black वाली।
black
एक black है
Oh,
purple
yeah.
जिसपे पीछे Batman
Batman
रहता
बना है.
somebody's
Team Dragzilla.
हाँ उन लोग के
yeah.
पास भी है the way how they drive oh,
Yeah.
amazing
Amazing.
That's track spec.
drag
Actually,
spec
yeah.
Brio
रेस
हाँ
में भी उतरी थी ना गाड़ी वो.
यहाँ हैदराबाद स्पीड फेस्टिवल
Correct. So we do have a car
We do have
enthusiast who still drives a
But
Brio.
very few people know about that car's
उसका potential.
Yeah.
भाई
Amazing.
हर चीज सबको मालूम है रे तो कोई ना कोई कार के रिलेटेड सिर्फ कोई बोलता है फिर मेरे को गाड़ी ऐसी चाहिए बस बट लेकिन उसके डेप्थ में अगर अंदर उतरे व्हाट वी कैन डू विद द कार बस एक बार जब आप
इसीलिए
हाथ
तो हम
लगा
लोग
दिया।
यहाँ पे कार रूम
एक बार जब
That's
कार
why
को
we are
हाथ
here.
लगा दिया
that people have the knowledge about cars कि like you know कौन सी गाड़ी के बारे में क्या क्या जानते हैं हम लोग so Mughith, what do you think is the most underrated cars in your generation
In your generation?
Gen
तो
Z
जनरेशन
Oh, yeah. Gen Z.
Gen Z
Gen Z
कहेंगे
निकालो हमली निकालो हमली
How about this car? I forgot the name. Tiana.
Nissan Tiana
Nissan
yeah
Tiana.
V6 and वो आपको जब वो टाइम पे अराउंड 2000 2005 2008 में जब अराउंड 70-80 लाख कॉस्ट करती थी
70-80 lakhs था उसका
Oh.
price.
I'm not
No, I
sure
don't know.
I was very small that time याद नहीं है मुझे coming to the sedan Chevrolet Optra
Optra.
Full
Optra
engine.
was such a good car but Chevrolet again
आज भी Optra के alloy Zen में लगा रहे लोग.
स्पार्क Chevrolet Spark
Chevrolet
Oh.
Spark Beat
Beat was an
was
amazing car.
Mitsubishi
भाई.
Damn.
Cedia Lancer
Cedia is
These
not
are
an underrated car
This
so
is-
why
This is out of the league.
Out of
अभी
the league.
मिलना is itself a big challenge. काट दो काटते रहने दो.
Opel भूल गए अपन
Opel Asta
Astra
Opel Astra Opel Club ये गाड़ियाँ that also
there was also another company
Peugeot के भी बहुत अच्छे
Peugeot
थे ना?
but उतना चले
very
नहीं
few cars in Hyderabad
306
Daewoo
Daewoo.
Daewoo
Matters.
Martin
actually man,
Cielo.
one of the very
Cielo
underrated
and
cars.
Matters.
Martin
Oh yeah. I don't know, for some reason I like Tata Indica also. मतलब diesel
अरे.
की it comes with a
most
turbo.
reliable car
Reliable turbo के साथ आता.
12 से थी वो
I don't know. मेरे एक फ्रेंड के पास है. I don't know they scrapped it. क्या करे कोई मैकेनिक के पास रख दिए. भाई if you're watching it एक बार बात करो वो कार मेरे को दो. I'll get it restored for sure. Yeah.
sure and we'll also cover that as well when we restore it
I
Someday.
don't know if she'll give it to
भाई
me or
जब
no.
आप
but
लोग
He or she.
restoration जब आप लोग
Go ahead.
जब आप लोग रिस्टोरेशन कर रहे हैं भैया को नॉलेज तो हमला तो अभी शुरुआत है ना
देखो restoration.
हम क्या आप
See, restoration is
आप-
not-
नहीं भाई उन दोनों का बोले
I'll tell you one thing. Restoration जब बात निकली, it is not an easy thing to do.
actually
Maybe you'll guys will get to know when we take you through the journey how we got our Zen restored. So
day 1 to day end
let's
It
keep that as a
was
surprise.
basically a
Yeah.
2-month journey
2.5 months
2.5
बोल सकते हैं and still continuing. अभी भी कुछ ना कुछ साला उसमें जाते रहता. But try to fix it. But yeah, it's a lovely car. You
Yeah.
guys should watch it. And
It's very
we should leave them now because again अपने generation के हिसाब से reels वाले लोगों में
reels
more than 10 minutes is a very difficult thing for
Very
them to watch. So yeah, let's for now end this.
yeah we
And,
should have this and
Meet them back with the restoration journey of a Zen.
correct so hope you guys like the video like share subscribe and अपने दोस्तों को बताओ which are the
Sucker
underrated
का
cars
price.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Sucker price
सब्सक्राइब
Saka ka price.
सब्सक्राइब
Subscribe.
so
thank you
thank
guys.
you have fun great night and have a safe drive
Oh,
Bye.
Happy New Year by the way.
Happy New Year
Happy
as well.
New Year.
Sorry, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year from Car Romeo.
Car
Enjoy
Romeos.
your years, guys. And आपके जो भी resolutions है, hope you try. And
Yeah.
I don't know how many of them will succeed, but yeah, Happy New Year.
Best of luck and yeah, drive safe again.
बाय
Goodbye.